Trinidad, this may be one of the most overlooked setups right now because while most players are chasing numbers, this workout is tracking how the hits are actually moving. Grab a pen and let's jump in. Welcome back everyone, and Trinidad players, y'all definitely gonna want to pay attention to this one. As I was going through your lottery draws, I noticed that your state made it somewhat difficult to put a workout together, being that your state does 4 draws in one day. But what I discovered at each draw definitely caught my attention, and in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. For today's example, I'll be starting with Trinidad previous pick for date, April 29th, 2026, to show you how those numbers hit. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is match your previous draws with your current morning, midday, afternoon, and evening night games. Once you pick which one you're going to start with, you will then use that previous draw hit to make your workout with. Now the way that I'm going to set up this workout is by starting with the previous draw that came out that morning for my starter digits of the workout. This is what that looks like. Once you have your starter digits set up, you now want to add down each row. When adding down each row, you will add the first, second, and fourth rows and stop before the top digit mirror digit shows. For the third row, you will count backwards and also stop before the top mirror digit shows. This is what that looks like. After you have your numbers set up, you will now switch positions of the third and fourth rows in your workout. After you have done that, the setup for the workout is complete. This is how that looks. Now once the workout is set up, it's now time to apply your date sum. The date sum that is working best for the state of Trinidad is the current day, month, plus day in the month date sum. Once you have the add from adding up your month and day, you will now apply that digit and its mirror digit in the workout. Here's an example. On April 29th, 2026 morning time, the number that hit was 5516. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Now I will show you guys how to set up the next one because each setup is done a bit differently. Now for the midday setup, it's set up the same way as the morning setup. So on April the 29th, 2026 midday, the number that hit was 1207. Here's how it lined up with the workout. Now keep all of what I mentioned earlier in mind because for the afternoon setup, it's slightly done the same way. The difference is that you will mirror all those digits from your previous draw and put them as your starter digits in the workout. This is how that looks. Now once you have your starter digits in your workout set up, you now want to add up your first and fourth rows and stop before the top digit mirror digit shows. And for the second and third rows, you count backwards and stop before their top digit mirror digit shows. This is how that looks. After you have your numbers set up, you now want to switch the positions that the third and fourth rows are in. Once you have done that, it will complete the setup for this workout. Here's an example. Now that the workout is set up, you now want to apply your date sum. Now for the morning, midday, afternoon, and evening draws, you will use those same date sum digits in all workouts. Here's a look. On April the 29th, 2026, afternoon time, the number that hit was 7445. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Well, I hope y'all enjoy the video. There is more in store where that came from. In Arkansas and Minnesota, your videos are up next, so be on the lookout. Make sure to drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next one.